Hi, dear friends. This is the third lesson lecture based on the same topic verb. In this lesson, we will talk about non-finite verb. So here is our title today's lesson: non-finite verb. Non-finite verb. See, before watching this video, you have to watch the first video because in the previous video, I have defined non-finite and finite. I even explained the difference between finite verb and non-finite verb. In this video, we will specially talk about non-finite verb. See, non-finite verbs are of three kinds. Still, I will tell you one more time what the non-finite verbs are. Non-finite verbs are the verbs. Non-finite verbs are the verbs that do not change its form according to the subject. Means they remains unchanged, right? And non-finite verbs are of three kinds. First kind of the non-finite verb is infinitive. Infinitive. Second one is gerund. And third one is participle. Infinitive, gerund and participle, these are the three non-finite verbs, right? Why they are non-finite? Because they never change its form according to the subject. I already told you. So here we will talk about these three: non-finite, infinitive, gerund and participle. See, infinitive, it always comes with the base form, but before the base form we will find two. So this is infinitive, infinitive two it is also called. Means whenever we find in a sentence preposition to, after that there is a verb, then we can simply say that that is the non-finite verb. Gerund, gerund means the verb having ing form, right? Means whenever we find verb with ing form, but it acts as a noun. Gerund actually are noun. It does not act as verb, though it looks like a verb, but it acts like noun. That's why this very important point we have to understand, we have to consider here. Gerund actually are the noun, hidden form of the verb. Though we find them, they are verbs, but they are actually noun. Their function is noun. Participle are of two kinds. Again, we will find participles are of two kinds. First one is present participle and past participle, right? So present and past participle. So here we have to understand one thing: infinitive with two, gerund with verb ing form, but its function is like noun, and participles are actually adjectives. They acts as adjectives, right? Means they describe the noun which is coming after that. I will give you an example. So just try to understand: infinitive verb with a two preposition form, verb ing form acts as a noun, and participle, present participle and past participle, its function is adjective, right? So now we will find some examples here. Now first of all we'll see here the example of infinitive 2. She, same example, she likes to dance, right? See, here in the sentence you will find she likes to dance. Understood? So here to dance, we will find to and then dance verb. So this is finite verb, but to dance is non-finite verb. If we change the subject, he, they like to dance remains same, whatever the subject is. That's why this unchanged form of the verb, infinitive form of the verb, this is non-finite verb. Now we'll find the gerund. I told you that gerund acts as noun. For example, dancing is my hobby. Right. Here in the sentence, see, this is dancing is a verb, but it acts as noun. That's why this is a gerund is the noun, and here it acts as a noun in the sentence as subject of the sentence. Is here verb. This is unchanged form of the verb, and it remains here. It acts as a noun. That's why this is gerund. Now we'll see the third kind of participle. Participles are of two kinds. Here, present participle and past participle. I will give you an example of present participle here. I saw a dancing doll. See, here in the sentence, I saw a dancing and doll. Doll is noun, before this is dancing, this is also verb, but it acts as adjective. How is the doll? Dancing doll. That's why here the verb dancing is present participle. Now past participle, I'll give you an example. There is there is a broken plank. How is the plank? How is the plank? The plank is broken. It means this acts as the adjective. Plank is noun and it is describing the following noun. That's why this acts as a an adjective. So here, dear friends, you might have understood here. We have discussed in the video these three kinds of non-finite verbs. First one is infinitive, second one is gerund, and third one is participle. Infinitive comes with the two. Sometimes it comes without two also. That is known as bare infinitive. Okay, so but the form never change whatever the subject is. So this is the non-finite verb. Gerund is a noun form of verb which acts as verb, though it look like a, verb, but it acts as a noun. That's why. And participle is an adjective form of verb which describes the following noun. There are two kinds of participles, present participle and past participle. Present participle with ing form and past participle with the verb third form, or we can say participle form of the verb. But after that we'll find a noun, and the noun is being described by the previous verb. That time we can say that that is past participle, present participle. So I hope so you understood this finite verb, non-finite verb, and these three kinds of non-finite verb: gerund, infinitive, and participle. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.